Hey, what's up guys? It's Dan again from CryptoCamacho.com, and hey guys, today I have something exciting for you. I want to review a marketing specific ICO. And guys, these marketing ICOs keep popping up left and right. I have some interesting insight in this and I want to share it with you. But first I want to show you what token I want to review today. So there is a new ICO coming out trying to revolutionize marketing and loyalty programs. The token is called Momentum Token, and you can find it at momentumtoken.io. Right now, they are currently in a private sale. They soon will be launching an ICO. If you're interested, you should join the whitelist right here. So the reason, guys, I want to bring up this company, bring up this ICO, because I think it's quite interesting that what's going on in the digital marketing space. So I've been doing digital marketing and have been in that space for well over 15 years. I'm very, very familiar with the space, with the tools, anything from marketing automation, analytics, inbound advertising, outbound advertising, the overall customer or marketing ecosystem that's built off of digital advertising, paid per click, you name it. I'm familiar with all the different types of digital marketing technologies, offerings, so forth. I mean, for a very long time, I managed marketing technology stacks. I've done marketing systems integrations. I've set up my own types of marketing programs. And so the reason I'm bringing this up is not to tout my marketing experience and background. It's really to just let you know what's going on and what's going to happen in the marketing space as we look to the next 5 or so years out, right? So let's take a step back, and I do want to give a quick review of Momentum Token here because I think there's some potential with the company and with what the company is trying to do, and actually the team itself. But first, what I'd really like to do is just give you kind of a quick breakdown of the marketing technology landscape that's out there today and how that applies to the blockchain and cryptocurrency space and how the two are going to start merging and fusing together and how you're going to start seeing that. I want to show you that right now. So if you look over at the marketing technology landscape, and this image right here, it's built from chiefmartech.com, right? So chiefmartech.com is a pretty well-known, popular marketing technology website where it talks about the latest marketing tools, technology, software, SaaS solutions, so forth and so on. So if you could look at this is from September 2012, and this is the marketing landscape in 2012. If we look at this today in 2018, this is going to be much, much larger, but I didn't want to kind of overwhelm you. The reason I'm bringing this up is because look at all of the applications that are in the digital marketing technology space, right? Anything from digital asset management solutions, video solutions, email marketing solutions, marketing automation solutions, search and pay-per-click ad solutions, retargeting, display ads. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. And every single one of these circles here has a number of companies inside it, right? So there are hundreds, if not thousands, of digital marketing companies on this list. And if we look at 2018, let's just say 2018 marketing technology landscape. And let's see what this looks like in 2018. It's going to be a very huge diagram as you're seeing right here. I just want to show you kind of how this is evolving and how this is expanding, right? So this is, I'm going to open this in a new window so you can kind of see it. But it has exploded, right? And let me make this bigger for you guys. Control, let's see, plus. Oh, you know what? You can't see it. Okay, let me go back here. Let me pause this real quick. All right, so I found one from 2017, and it looks like this. So you can obviously see that the ecosystem has blown up in the last several years in digital marketing. And this is the marketing technology, right? And it's very similar to what I just showed you. It's just built out and blown out a lot more than what I just showed you. But you can see some of the same things, right? Video marketing, email marketing, content marketing, optimization and personalization, automation, analytics. The list literally goes on and on. Mobile marketing, so forth and so on. And the reason I want to bring this up is because what's going to happen in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space is that the digital marketing space, the internet space, is going to be gutted out and completely rebuilt on blockchain technology or something similar, right? And that is what's happening with all of these different marketing tools that I'm showing you that are now popping up in the form of ICOs, right? I've shown you Vivid Token, I've shown you Momentum, I've shown you I've shown you a number of different marketing specific, Snove.io, a number of marketing specific ICOs that are popping up. And this is because marketing technology is now completely internet based, right? It's database driven, it's analytics driven, it's data driven in general. And what better place to build a marketing app that's data driven but on the blockchain, right? Which is decentralized, distributed, and offers a lot more flexibility, features, and additional uses really with the data by using it and utilizing it on the blockchain. So now let's come back to Momentum Token and let's look at what they're actually doing, because I think there's some potential here if you think in the context of the digital marketing industry and where it has come from and where it's actually going. Because where it's going is going to the form of blockchain. All the internet companies and digital marketing companies that you see today, they're going to be rebuilt from the inside out, and they're going to be coupled onto a blockchain and cryptocurrency like solution, right? Because there's advantages that they're going to get by doing so, and we'll talk about some of those right here, okay? So MomentumToken.io, it's the world's first blockchain and crypto token based marketing automation platform that enables companies to reward their best customers and supporters with crypto tokens, right? So what's a marketing automation platform, right? So marketing automation is essentially email marketing, right? It's automatic emails that are sent out to prospects and customers to either upsell them, to cross-sell them, to retain them as customers, to offer value to them in the form of content or other perks. That's what marketing automation is, right? You have big players right now today, which are like Marketo, which are Salesforce Pardot, which are Eloqua, which is made by Oracle. Those are all enterprise level applications, right? Enterprise level solutions. Then you have the smaller players for kind of the customer facing solutions, right? And those are like the Awebers, the Constant Contact, the MailChimps, all of those smaller players are really in the marketing automation space for small customers, right? Or for small business customers, right? So Momentum.io is trying to revolutionize the marketing automation industry by creating a marketing automation platform that is also a loyalty program that's based on cryptocurrency and blockchain, right? So how is this going to be useful? All right, so redefining the way companies build customer relationships. With Momentum, companies can reward customers in exchange for their attention, business, brand advocacy, and data insights while giving the customer full control over their personal data. So this is something that we don't see today, right? Customers typically don't have control over their data fully in a marketing automation platform environment. If you look at like a Marketo, for example, the customer data is stored on the Marketo system. It may also be stored in a data warehouse on the back end within the company itself. The customer never sees or controls any of that data whatsoever, right? They may be sent an email saying, hey, do you want to opt out, or do you want to stay opted in, or hey, do you want to subscribe to X, Y, and Z newsletters? But they're never given a full chance to see what data you actually have, right? Momentum Token is going to do that, so it's going to make more transparency in marketing automation and marketing in general, right? Which comes at a very good time because there's something called GDPR, which is a European Union law that has passed, which is requiring companies to give customers access to their data and to allow them to decide and opt in multiple times to get marketing materials or marketing communications sent back to them, right? So this is very timely, and I think it's very smart. Okay, solving real problems. Traditional marketing is often disliked by customers. They often are badly timed, lack personalization, and result in spam. That's a very, very, very real problem that many, many companies are trying to solve. They can solve it, but it's not easy. It's time consuming. It takes technical aptitude to do that and development to do that. But companies are doing it, right? And so Momentum is trying to simplify that. Next, loyalty programs repeatedly fail as consumers lack a sense of value and ownership. Points offer no real value, offer expire, and are wasted. So instead of offering a traditional loyalty program like a point system that typically customers do, they're going to be offering a loyalty program in the form of cryptocurrency that's ultimately redeemable in cash and other rewards, right? So ultimately, there is going to be a value tied to these points and rewards that customers receive for engaging and interacting with whatever marketing materials may come their way, right? So that's an incentive to interact with communications that come by being rewarded with loyalty programs that are transferable back into actual cash, right? So that's something I want you guys to be aware of and keep in mind because that doesn't exist in the marketplace today, right? Okay, in North America alone, the total value of unused points is approximately $100 billion, right? So people aren't using their points that they're getting from these reward programs. And so Momentum.io is trying to flip that on its head and say, hey, look, you can actually get cryptocurrency, which is redeemable in cash into fiat if you'd like, by participating in our marketing programs, right? Okay. So they're going to also enable companies to launch branded tokens. So if I'm a company and I want to do marketing, I can actually launch a branded cryptocurrency token for my company through Momentum.io, and then I could then send that out to my customers and reward my customers with my own branded cryptocurrency that's redeemable in cash, right? So again, very, very good concept, and I think this is scalable in a number of ways, right? Reward customers. Give crypto tokens to customers supporting your brand for buying, reviewing, or telling all their running friends about their new sport shoes, right? So again, another way to earn money by engaging with marketing programs. It's kind of flipping it on its head. Usually people engage with marketing programs and they're not really rewarded. They're given more ads, right? They're not really rewarded. They might be rewarded with content, with like a PDF or a ebook or something like that. But here they're rewarded with actual real money, right? Okay, build lifelong relationships. Build up a detailed understanding of customers and use it to have relevant one-to-one conversations with them and their friends, right? So here's kind of a look at what the app may look like, what it may look like in general. Okay, so companies that they are working with have seen 100x more active app users, 40x more customer data, 10x more app users in their store. And they're working with companies already like Volkswagen, Praxis, Galbani, Burger King, Plus, Bilka, Ferrelli. These are big name companies that you can go search, and they're big companies that are using Momentum.io. So I think this is another very good sign. They already have a platform. They already have a team. They haven't even launched an ICO yet, so they're trying to hone in on the product solution itself before launching an ICO. Very smart, right? All right, next, the Momentum platform transforms the way companies do marketing. So a lot of this I've already talked about and talked through. This just gives a little bit more details around this, and I think all very, very important as you look at this company and whether or not you want to invest in it. The Mobile Bridge Momentum token, right? So the Momentum is a utility token and will be used in 4 different ways. A rewards and loyalty token. It is used to reward consumers for their attention, business, and brand advocacy and data insights. A gateway token. The Momentum token enables consumers to convert company-branded loyalty rewards into Momentum tokens, which in turn can be exchanged for reward tokens or other cryptocurrencies, ultimately back to fiat currency or dollars if you would like, right? A platform payment currency. Companies who are using the Momentum platform will pay for it in Momentum tokens. A cryptocurrency and encrypted. Okay, so it's just talking about that. All right, earn, collect, use, or trade. Get involved. So it's talking about how you can actually get involved to earn tokens, get real value by actually buying products or buying services, right? Or turning them back into cash. You'll never waste tokens again, right? All right, so why Mobile Bridge Momentum? Mobile Bridge Momentum token is the token that powers the Mobile Bridge Momentum platform. Demand for the Momentum token will be fueled by the ever-increasing demand for the token as transactions on the Mobile Bridge platform continue to increase. Why? And this lists all the reasons why the people may want to use the mobile token, right? The Momentum Mobile Bridge token, right? The Momentum allows marketers to assign a value to each action that positively influences their sales, right? So very powerful, right? You can assign a value to each action or any action that somebody takes, and you can have that stored back into their profile on the blockchain, and over time build that profile out to create more successful and creative marketing programs that can be rewarded with Momentum tokens, okay? A lot of really, really good, I mean, even the loyalty program, the loyalty market itself is a $4 billion market, right? In North America, 100 billion unused loyalty points in general, right? Anyway, so this goes on and on about Momentum and what it is and the benefits and so forth. Look at the team. So the team, they are all experienced folks, right? Many of them from Hybris, which is a successful company that's been around for a very long time. They've worked for Walmart, Argos, Tesco, so forth and so on. These guys are veterans. These guys are experienced. From Intel, here's a blockchain expert from Mobile Bridge. You got advisors from SAP, Accenture. And these folks are powerful folks in the digital marketing space, and they're now turning into advisors for this company, right? I've worked directly with Accenture myself multiple times on marketing programs strategically and tactically. So I think this is a big, big thing to notice here. A GM of Shell is backing this as an advisor. A vice president at MasterCard is backing this, which is very interesting and actually kind of peculiar, but nonetheless very, very interesting. What else? Okay. More experts that they have, a lot of partners already working with some big name companies. Deloitte, another huge, Capgemini, huge marketing and digital marketing integrators. So this is, I'm bullish on this because of just the ecosystem that they've already built, and they don't even have an ICO to speak of, right? So anyway, here's how the token sale will be distributed. You can see they'll have a total token supply of 1 million here, and actually it's 1 billion. Sorry. And then they're going to be offering 500 million tokens for sale at 10 cents a pop, right? So it's going to be a little cheaper because there are so many tokens in circulation. Okay, so let's see what else here, guys. I think that's about it. I do want to show you, so they're brand new. This company is brand spanking new, and they already have a following on Twitter of over 1,500 folks. They already have a Telegram presence of 3,000 folks. They already have a lot of activity on their Bitcoin Talk forum, so check that out. Go and check out their one-pager and their white pager. So they have a light paper and a white paper. Their white paper here, it's 53 pages long, pretty extensive, pretty well written. I'm not going to go through it all, but I would definitely encourage you to go check it out, especially if you don't know much about digital marketing or online marketing platforms, marketing automation platforms. Definitely take a look at this because it'll really explain what the business proposition is. I understand a lot of this because I know what marketing automation is. I've used it myself a lot of times. Okay, so and really just go check out this light paper. This light paper is pretty intriguing because it gives you all the key points you need to know. It's only 6 pages long. Gives you the key points you need to know about this platform, guys. So again, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not a CPA. I am not telling you to go out and spend all of your hard-earned cash on this ICO. However, I think that Momentum token is going to have potential. I am personally going to look to invest in this ICO. Not sure 100% if I'll do it. I still need to look at some of the background. I need to do a little bit more due diligence, but I wanted to at least bring it up to you guys. And again, the one very, very important thing I want to leave with you guys today is that Momentum token is one digital marketing application and technology that solves in the area of marketing automation and loyalty programs. Look at what's happening to the digital marketing space. All right, this image right here is from 2012. It shows the digital marketing space back then. This image is from 2017. It shows the same digital marketing space only a couple years later and has shown how it has completely exploded, and the market cap, the amount of money poured into this ecosystem is absolutely jaw-dropping. And so what I want to leave you with is that Momentum token is one of many, 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 many apps that's going to be built in the marketing technology space in the years to come here. We're going to see a complete transformation of marketing technology. We're going to see the industry completely disrupted, and all the apps on this page here will essentially be gutted or rebuilt from the inside out to somehow connect and tether up to a blockchain or similar technology. And if they don't, I guarantee you they will fall by the wayside and their market share will continually go down. That's the nature of the game, guys. It's going to be Web 4.0. We're currently in a Web 2, Web 3.0 environment, and we're moving to a Web 4.0 environment, which is all about rebuilding technologies on the internet based on blockchain and cryptocurrency. All right, guys, so there you have it. Just remember that. I am Dan. If you haven't subscribed, please do by clicking on that little red button below. Dan, Crypto Camacho here, and I'll see you tomorrow. Let me know what you think of this, guys. I'd love to know your thoughts on Momentum token or momentumtoken.io. See you guys.